Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Fiverr account. So first of all, open up the Fiverr app. Now once you're at the home page of Fiverr, click on this profile button at the bottom right, click on it. Now once you're here, simply scroll down to the bottom until you see account right here, click on it. Now in here you have deactivation and deletion, click on it. Now in here click on delete account, and after that click on continue to account deletion. After that click on continue to account deletion. Now in here select a reason, I will go for the first one right here, and after that click on delete account. Now in here you would have to type in the word delete in uppercase letters. After that click on delete account again. And after that they will take you to this page right here saying join Fiverr, and your Fiverr account would be permanently deleted. So that is how you can delete your Fiverr account. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your account on Fiverr. Now once you're at the Fiverr homepage, click on your profile picture at the top right. Now in here, click on settings right here. Now once you're in settings, just simply scroll down to the bottom, you see account deactivation. Now in here, select a reason. I will go for, let's say, I have another Fiverr account, and after that you can tell them more, which is optional, so I'm just going to leave it, and after that click on deactivate account. Now after that, they would log you out of your account, and this will show up saying your Fiverr account is closed. Now you should not log in using that account for the next 15 days, because doing so will reactivate your account. And after the 15-day period has passed, your account will be deleted. So that is how you can delete your account on Fiverr.